In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make 4 flyers on one page in Canva. By the end, you'll have a clean 4-up layout that's perfect for printing and cutting, all done with Canva's built-in rulers and guides so everything lines up beautifully. Start by heading to Canva's homepage and opening the design you want to work with, or create a new blank document in the size you plan to print, like US letter or A4. Having the correct page size from the start helps your guides match your final paper and keeps your flyers consistent when you cut them later. Once your canvas is open, look to the top left corner of the editor and click File. This menu gives you access to view settings that make precise layout work a lot easier. From that menu, choose Show Rulers and Guides. You'll instantly see rulers appear along the top and left edges of your canvas. These are your measuring tapes. Guides are the draggable lines you'll pull out from those rulers, and they'll help you split the page evenly. Now, create the 4 sections. Hover over the top ruler, click, and drag downward to pull out a horizontal guide. Move it toward the center of the page. Canva will show a center indicator when you're exactly in the middle. Release the guide there. Next, hover over the left ruler, click, and drag to pull out a vertical guide. Slide it to the exact center as well. When both guides are in place, your page is divided into 4 equal quadrants. If it's hard to see, zoom in a bit. The guides will still snap to the center, and that snapping is your best friend for accuracy. With the layout ready, start placing your flyers. Drag your flyer image or design from your uploads or your existing design pages onto the canvas and position it inside one quadrant. Resize it so it sits neatly within the space, leaving a little breathing room near the guides for trimming after printing. If you're placing the same flyer 4 times, simply duplicate it and move a copy into each section. If you're placing 4 different designs, repeat the drag and drop for each one. Watch for Canva's purple alignment lines. They'll help you center each flyer in its quadrant and keep everything uniform. Avoid letting artwork cross over the guides so your cuts will be clean and even. That's it. You've used File, enabled rulers and guides, split the page into 4 equal spaces, and placed your flyers with precision. Save your design, and you're ready to download or print with confidence.